MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
I'm not a gardener, but behind me, this piece of tapery might give you an idea where I am today. I'm at Williams F1. We're here to view Vericut's new software, 7.4. It's the brand new version. It's vital for engineers to use the best software in the UK. Let's take a look. Rob, thanks for your time. I've got to say, fabulous facility at Williams Formula One here. Obviously, the launch at 7.4. Tell me a little bit more about that.
7.4 is got three major areas of enhancements. The user interface is much easier, much more direct for the user. It's got much more in the front. We've got a new module called Force, and Force is a force-based calculation of feed rates. So it's aimed at preventing tool breakages, designed for machining hard materials, and saving maybe 30% in machining time.
One thing I've noticed with the user base you have, I mean, you probably have one of the largest spread of user base I've ever seen.
It's a very good user base, and as you've seen today, most of the people are very, very happy. I used Vericut only in my job, but I've never used it in programming. And when I was writing programs, I wish I had Vericut from that, because you can't live without it. Once you've had Vericut and used it, you rely on it totally.
Obviously, there's new developments, like most software, it's always being looked at, enhanced and what have you. Yeah. Is there anything new that you could tell us that may be coming to the party for this time next year?
I would expect so. We're doing a lot of work on the integration of CAD-CAM interfaces. It's an ongoing thing because CAD-CAM keeps developing and we have to keep pace with them. So one of the things we've done today in 7.4 is release new enhancements and a couple of new interfaces. But one of the things we're actually planning to do is improve our interfaces to be much more bidirectional. And that means, not just pulling data out of it, but, interacting with the CAM system as well.
Well, Rob, firstly, thanks very much for your time and your hospitality here. We've learnt a lot more. I hope we can give all the users out there a lot more knowledge about 7.4. Thanks very much.
Excellent. I appreciate it.
I'm here with Pauli from Pathtrace, Finland. Could you tell me a little bit what you do in Finland?
Yes, we represent GT Tech, Vericut, and also EdgeCam in Finland.
What type of companies do you tend to sell Vericut to?
We have some quite big companies like Metso and Sulzer Pumps, and we have quite a lot of smaller subcontract companies and machining steel constructions.
So what you've heard here from the new version 7.4, are you excited?
Yes, quite a lot, because it's a new interface, looking very good, and quite a lot of new things to learn.
Thank you very much for your time, Pauli.
Thank you.
Patricia, thanks very much for your time. We're here at the CG Tech 7.4 version launch. Could you tell me a little bit what your company does?
Yes, I work for a small subcontract company that do a lot of aerospace and defence work. The company's been going for quite a few years now, through the generations from grandfather down to grandson now. So yes, I've been there for quite a few years and enjoyed all the time I've been there.
So I also hear that you may be one of the longest users of Vericut, maybe 20 years?
Yes, I believe we've been using it for 20 years. I was working with the company at that time as well, so I saw it come through the company, and we've been working with Vericut to improve ourselves as well, really. So we've been using it a lot. Day to day we use it all the time.
And with 7.4 coming to the marketplace, is that exciting for you?
Yes, very excited. Well, obviously, now I've been to see the launch, we will be looking into install it in the company and hopefully taking it further and improving ourselves yet again. So, and Vericut's helping us to do that.
That's great, Patricia. Thanks very much for your time.
Thank you.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.